Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Wellness Advocate series. Today we are going to be talking about how you, as a Millersville student, can achieve the best deals at the local grocery stores and farmers market stands. We will also be talking about how to shop using coupons and taking advantage of the weekly sales at the store. Our first stop will be right into the heart of Lancaster City, which is the Central Market. You can hop on Route 16 and take it all the way down to Queen Street bus station and just walk about 2 or 3 blocks right to Penn Square. Or grab a friend and drive down. Central Market has been open to the public since 1730, which makes it one of the oldest farmers markets in the country. Just steps from the Ware Center, the market is open on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays between 6 a.m. until 3 p.m. Quick tip, I would bring a reusable tote when coming to shop here as it makes it easier for the shopping process. Here in the market you can find just about any fresh produce in season, meats, fresh fruit smoothies, breads, pastas, pastries, you name it. There's a wide selection to choose from when it comes to fresh food, which is really unique for this city, as many others who live far away from farmers will not receive the same fresh quality produce that we do. Just about everything that is sold in the market is local, so I suggest you try it out. Going back towards Millersville, you can take Route 17 to get down to Giant or carpool with a friend. Many Millersville students are familiar with the chain Giant as there are many spread across Pennsylvania. Quick tip, don't forget to grab the weekly ads on the way into each of the grocery stores you walk into. You can also check these out on each of the grocery store websites or apps. These are the keys to your savings. Keep a lookout for sales while you're at the grocery store as you may be able to even save more when you buy things in bulk. Another quick tip, if you're wanting to save money, try to be on the lookout for store brand products as they're usually much cheaper than their competitors. The last two supermarkets that are available via Route 16 are John Hurst, which is also walkable from campus, and Wise, which is just down the road. These are also popular grocery stores in the area that students will purchase their groceries from. Here you can find and shop for sales on their shelves, and at times, they will even have designated sections for groceries that are on special, meaning they are nearing their expiration date and they want to get it off their shelves as quickly as possible to make room for their new fresh products. If you want to start on your own savings, click the resources down in the description box below where you can learn more about this topic. I hope that introducing some of these places, which may or may have not been new for you, has been quite helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment down below what would you like to see from us next, and subscribe for new videos. And as always, take care, Marauders.